Are you dreaming of a Christmas that's not just beautiful, but also eco-friendly? Imagine dazzling decorations that reduce waste and reflect your love for nature. In this video, we're diving into green Christmas decor ideas to transform your festive season into an eco-conscious celebration. Ready to explore how to celebrate sustainably without losing the holiday magic? Let's get started. How can you incorporate sustainable gift wrapping? Sustainable gift wrapping not only looks unique, but also reduces the environmental footprint of your celebrations. Key ideas: reusable fabrics. Use colorful cloths, old scarves, or fabric bags that can double as part of the gift. Recycled paper. Decorate recycled brown paper with hand-drawn designs, stamps, or twine for a chic touch. Natural accents. Add sprigs of greenery, dried flowers, or cinnamon sticks for a festive and organic look. Ready to shop for sustainable decor? Products seen in this video are linked in the description. How can you reuse and recycle old decorations? Instead of tossing out old decorations, breathe new life into them by reimagining their use. Key ideas: revamp broken ornaments. Use broken pieces of ornaments to create mosaic designs or art pieces. Combine decor elements. Merge older decorations with newer, natural items like leaves or pine cones. Gift or donate. Share unused decorations with friends, family, or donation centers to reduce waste. Want to know where to get the products featured in this video? Check the links in the description. How can you light up your decor sustainably? Lighting can set the mood for Christmas, but traditional lights consume a lot of energy. Switch to greener alternatives without compromising the sparkle. Key ideas: LED lights. Use energy-efficient LED string lights. They last longer and consume less power. Solar-powered decor. Install solar-powered fairy lights for outdoor setups, reducing electricity usage. Candle alternatives. Opt for soy or beeswax candles for a cozy glow that's also eco-friendly. If you're loving these ideas, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all our upcoming videos. How can you use natural materials for Christmas decor? Natural materials are not only eco-friendly, but also add a rustic and cozy vibe to your Christmas setup. They're easy to find and budget-friendly too. Key ideas: wooden ornaments. Carve or buy wooden ornaments shaped like stars, snowflakes, or Christmas trees to hang on your tree. Dried oranges and cinnamon. String together dried orange slices and cinnamon sticks for garlands or tree decorations that smell amazing. Evergreen centerpieces. Use evergreen branches, berries, and twigs to create stunning wreaths or table centerpieces. Which of these ideas will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. What does a green Christmas really mean? A green Christmas means celebrating the holiday season in a way that's sustainable, environmentally friendly, and mindful of waste. It involves using natural, reusable, or upcycled materials for your decor while maintaining the festive spirit. Key ideas: eco-conscious choices. Choose decor that avoids single-use plastics, focuses on reusable materials, and minimizes environmental impact. Natural elements. Incorporate pine cones, leaves, branches, and dried flowers for organic and beautiful decoration. DIY projects. Engage in creative DIY ideas like upcycled jar lanterns, homemade ornaments, and fabric gift wraps. Love these tips? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who care about the planet. What are some eco-friendly tree options? Choosing the right Christmas tree can make a huge difference in celebrating sustainably. Key ideas: potted trees. Use a live potted tree that you can replant after Christmas, giving it a new lease on life. DIY trees. Craft your tree using cardboard, driftwood, or stacks of books to avoid cutting down a real one. Secondhand finds. Check thrift stores or community exchanges for artificial trees that can be reused for years. Looking for more ideas like this? Explore similar videos in the description. What are some DIY green Christmas projects? DIY projects are a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your holiday decor while keeping things sustainable. Plus, they're a fun activity for the whole family. Key ideas: upcycled mason jar lanterns. Fill jars with LED lights, pine cones, and faux snow for a glowing centerpiece. Fabric wrapping. Use colorful scarves, handkerchiefs, or cloth scraps to wrap gifts instead of single-use wrapping paper. Paper crafts. Make snowflakes, stars, or tree ornaments out of recycled paper or old newspapers. Want to see more DIY inspiration? Check out our playlist linked in the description. This Christmas, let's bring back the joy of giving, not just to loved ones but also to our planet. By incorporating these green decor ideas, you're not only adding a unique and personal touch to your celebrations, but also contributing to a brighter, greener future. So, what's your favorite green Christmas idea from this video? Share it in the comments below.